This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to do hand break dance. First, let's build a strong foundation. Always begin with a proper warm-up, focusing on your wrists and shoulders to prevent injury. Then, practice holding a handstand against a wall. This helps you build the necessary strength in your arms and shoulders and teaches you how to find your balance point. Remember to keep your core tight. It is crucial for stability. Now, let's master the two-hand freeze, a core element of hand break dance. Aim for a perfectly straight body line, stacking your shoulders, hips, and ankles. Your gaze should be fixed between your hands. Practice holding this position for 5 to 10 seconds, focusing on controlled breathing and muscle engagement. Consistency in this freeze builds the endurance needed for more complex moves. Moving to a one-hand balance requires precision and control. From your two-hand freeze, slowly shift your weight over one arm, keeping that arm completely straight and locked. Your free hand can extend outwards to help with balance, acting like a counterweight. Experiment with leg positions to find what feels most stable and visually appealing. This transition is key to unlocking dynamic hand movements. Finally, let's explore dynamic handbrake moves. Once you are comfortable with one-hand balances, you can start adding rotations and spins. Think about how your legs can contribute to the movement, perhaps with a flare or a swipe, adding visual interest. The goal is to create a seamless flow between different hand-based freezes and movements, making your routine look effortless and powerful. Practice makes perfect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.